In this video, we're going to look at Ethereum, and we are going to see why and how this coin can hit $10,000 per Ethereum in the future, and whether now is potentially a good time to be buying into Ethereum as the new investor or as an existing one to dollar cost average furthermore into to reduce your average entry price. Now, overall, Ethereum on the year has hit a nice high of $488 billion. We're down to $280 billion on the market capital side of things. So quite a lot of bearish price action over the last 12 months here for Ethereum. Now, the interesting thing is Ethereum has not yet put through an all-time high by price or market capital. We can see we're sitting at 2.3k, which is an integral level of support. Just looking at the charts recently on the weekly time frame, we can see Ethereum has bounced off of this integral 2.1k area twice, where it has induced a nice level of sort of buyback opportunity for smart money and whales and retail investors, I guess. So really cool. We can see the momentum here is quite infinitesimal. We're not really getting the momentum that we really do need in order to push the coin through to the moon. But you can see, looking at the weekly time frame, in February and March, when we had meme mania, we had alt season, Ethereum did hit an overbought level on the relative strength index. Now, usually the RSI during a bull market hitting 70 plus and especially 80 plus is a selling indicator. In the bull market as well, though, on the contrary, or even a bear market, I would say, actually, for the top coins, sub 30 on the RSI, the last time we were there was June 2022. It's also a buying indicator. So effectively, you're buying down here, you're selling up here, and you're trying to rinse and repeat that every time. You can see, actually, the RSI is trying its best to not really go below 40. As you can see, we're just sitting at this 40 level. We've not gone below 40 for Ethereum weekly RSI in what looks like 2 years. So there's so much buying pressure for this coin. Now, Ethereum from the top has done like a 48% correction. Nothing too crazy. If it was 70, 80%, then I'd be like, okay, this bull market's done for. But it's just a 48% correction. And yeah, I think that's healthy to see these pullbacks here. We're put through still a higher low. So in my books, it's still pretty bullish. Zooming out, the other low was over here in October 2023. We went up in price. We put through a higher low still. Things still look pretty textbook. And coordinating this to Fibonacci's, we've corrected just above the 0.786 Fibonacci as well. So again, things are still looking good. It doesn't really worry me seeing this kind of price action over here. So how do we see Ethereum get to $10,000? Well, of course, the price needs to do a 4x. The market capital needs to do a 4x, so about 560. So that'd be 561, that $1.12 trillion market cap. We would need to see Ethereum get as large as Bitcoin. And of course, Ethereum will not get to this level unless Bitcoin can get to an even higher level. I mean, Bitcoin got to $1.4 trillion, but we're going to need to see Bitcoin get to at least $3 trillion in order to see Ethereum get to 1.1 trillion, because you can see Ethereum has got around what looks like 30% the value of Bitcoin. So we need a $3 to $4 trillion Bitcoin in order to get that $1 trillion Ethereum, assuming that they've kind of got the same sort of ratios of market dominance, right? The same kind of percentage of market dominance versus the entire blockchain market capital. So it's an interesting one to see. And I do think we could see some major numbers here for Ethereum. Now, last kind of a last bull run or whatever, you can see here in 2017, look at that. We hit the 2.618 target, which is perfect. That was 3.5k. This is why it can potentially happen. If we take the top of last bull run and then we bring that down to the bull run low, the 2618 Fibonacci actually does suggest that 11.5k is very realistic here. And the 1.6 is an $8,000-ish almost valuation. So based on Fibonacci alone, it makes me believe that we can see a 4x for Ethereum, assuming that the rest of the market does go absolutely wild, we get massive euphoria and all that juicy stuff. So in my opinion, we're literally here. As you can see, January 2021, that's where we are, where we're peaking. We're getting close to the previous all-time high. As you can see, this matches this, and that's where we are. We are here and here. So that means we are right here. These two moments in time, this one and this one, are very similar, in my opinion, for Ethereum. So we just got to be patient and sit back and kind of relax. ETF wise as well for Ethereum, few ETFs are now running. We've still got many pending, like Direction, Grayscale, ProShares. More ETH ETFs will be issued, and that'll be a good thing in the long run. Of course, they also got a roadmap, and you can see the roadmap will be finished at some point in the next 5 to 10 years. Some things have lower priority though, like quantum resistance. So each upgrade has got its own kind of level of priority on the list, but they're saying 5 to 10 years to get everything absolutely complete for Ethereum. If you guys are new to my channel as well, please do consider becoming a patron. Down below, I've got a link to my Patreon, and if you do become a patron, you're going to get trading signals, unlock early access to whitelistings, pre-sales, get alpha calls on memes, and generally just be educated and well informed on the crypto markets. This will help you grab some cool signals like the ones on screen right here. So if you do like trading signals and stuff and you do want to make more money in these markets, you can see some of the traders over here are doing absolutely a fantastic job. If the market is up, down or sideways, they are making some money. According to Forbes, at the beginning of 2030, the Ethereum price could reclaim its position of $10,000 and be above that level. So they think 2030 for the $10,000 level. It says the year for ETH will reflect the dynamic interplay of bullish surges, market forces, and bearish adjustments. By the end of the year, it might range around 9 to 9.5K. So it's another interesting thing to consider. So that's kind of why I think Ethereum will hit $10,000. And then I guess the other question to answer is, do I think now is a good time to be buying into Ethereum? I personally think yes, it really is. Looking at the Fibonacci structure, correcting just above 0.7186 Fibonacci, we're 50% down from the local high over here, and we've not yet hit an all-time high. So Ethereum has kind of failed us at the moment, guys. So I think it will happen in the future. If you guys are also looking for a new exchange, make sure you do check out MEXC. Down below, I've got a link for it, and also the KSEX exchange if you're looking to be fully anonymous without KYCing. And these two exchanges will give you the best maker and taker fees in the market. So it will help you save money over time. If you trade on my link, you'll also be eligible for bonuses as well. So get trading, sign up down below, get yourself into the crypto world, whether you're buying, holding, getting meme coins, trading, whatever you're doing. These exchanges are absolutely insane and I love using them. See you soon, ladies and gents. Bye for now, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. See you soon.